Hello, here from Arrifes. I'm here in the Rua Outeiro, and this morning here on this Sunday, January 7, we had here some very strong rain here, and here, the street here was flooded like a river with water. And we'll here drive down because we have here later some bigger damages here on the street. Here we can still see the water here. Now it's the first time today sun. Maybe we have a nice afternoon here, and you can see here the stones here, everything here. I have seen on Facebook some short videos from earlier, and also here, look at this. What's a river, and also some houses inside you have now water. Soon we have there a hole in the street, because here the street it's in very bad condition here. The people on the Facebook complaining here and addressing here the Freguesia here Arrifes. That is not the first time happening here. You can see here the street, it's in very bad condition. It's one of the worst streets here, and here behind is the cartel here from the quartel, not the cartel, the quartel here from the Portuguese army. It's also here on this street. Here we have a big damage. It's dangerous. And here down, the street is broken. We can see soon. It's the biggest damage here. They are now doing some work here. Here have the workers here. Here the protection civil here. They're also working here. You see we have a hole here in the street. Here the lady with the yellow vest, she is the president here from Arrifes. From the Freguesia. Now we'll drive forward here. Here are the works from the city here. Ponta Delgada. Yeah. And here down it's better. Show you short here. The time it's around 12:30 p.m. here on the Sunday afternoon. Here we have also still, but I was driving before here. I was coming here from Ponta Delgada, and here we don't have damages because here the water can go here down here the street. But still we can see here the water from earlier from the strong rain. Yes, we will hope here the Freguesia will do some work there on the Rua Outeiro, and yeah, for the future. That was here a short video here from Arrifes.